welcome to my channel. Well, this is the newest version of the Go-Go Bird. Now, I have flown the Go-Go Bird before in past videos, and it is hilarious because I almost lost it. It almost hit me in the head. All sorts of crazy things happened. But this new version, well, it almost hit me in the head as well, but this new version actually does what it says on the box. So on the bottom of the box, there's all these features that this drone is supposed to have. I call it a drone because it almost flies like a drone. So this little birdie is supposed to have all these features, and it pretty much does everything it says it does. I was very impressed with it because I never lost control of this. It flew around my front yard doing circles, figure eights, everything I wanted it to do, and you fly it with a little remote. There's your remote here. So you have this little joystick and you can go faster or slower. You can go up or down. That's your start and stop switch up here. You have buttons on it to make it do autonomous flight modes like figure eight, circle one way, circle the other way. It's really simple. And then you have altitude mode, which is basically you can almost let this thing fly by itself, throw this away and just move it, and then it takes off and it starts flying, but it will stay near you. It won't go away as long as there's not a big breeze. Now in the box you get the Go-Go Bird, and inside the Go-Go Bird comes one battery, but they also give you one more battery. So you have two batteries plus a charging unit, so a little USB charger. It charges up very fast. You could probably charge it out at the field if you wanted to. You know, fly one battery, charge the other battery. It probably would work quite well. The flight time is about 8 minutes, and it is a long flight time. I flew it, and I'll say it is pretty much 8 minutes. They also give you a micro Phillips screwdriver that you need to unscrew the back of your remote because you have to put two AAA batteries that are not included. As soon as you put those in, this works, and this works for a very long time. Just make sure you turn it off. But if you don't turn it off, it actually has a system in it that it turns off itself. Finally, you get a quick start guide, and you get a full set of instructions if you want to get deeper into what this baby can do. So what I'm going to show you next is me flying this. So I took it out in my front yard, you know, on a day where there was just a tiny little bit of breeze, and I wasn't expecting much because the last time I flew one of these, it was a total failure, and this one was 100% plus, you know, a win. It was like, there was no failure. It just worked out so well. So watch the video, enjoy the video. The links are below this video to where you can find this. It's not very expensive, so go check it out. All right, let's power this on, the mode switch. I'm going to put an altitude limit mode to start off with. Let's power on the Go-Go Bird. I have gloves on, so it's going to be a little bit difficult, but let's see if we can get it. There we go. I see a light, so I must have got it that time. Does it flap? All right, so this is on. Hit it again. It should go off. That's so you land it if it's about to crash. So let's go stand down here. So here we go. I'll shoot it straight ahead. I've got it going up. Yeah, I'm just letting it go here. It's doing its little balancing thing. I'll bring it back to me. There we go. Oh, at least you can steer it. So I'm steering it. I'm not even touching the controls much. So let's try these automatic controls here. It says it's got a circle. So I'm going to bring it back here and cause it to do a circle. Okay, let's get in front and circle. I put it in circle. See what it does. I'm standing back, not touching anything. It's coming at my head. Holy cow. But it's doing a circle. That's pretty cool. All right. So now that it's about to hit the tree, let's see if I can take control of it again. Bring it back. Yeah, so as soon as you touch this, you can control it. So let's try this down. I'm going to pull it back. Pull it back. Okay, that slows it down. Sorry. Pushing it forward makes it go faster. There we go. I pushed it forward. There we go. There we go. So now she goes way up there. Ah, this is really easy to use. Very intuitive. Very intuitive. Look at this. It's still going. Let's bring it back. So I know the camera's pointing this way, so bring it over here. I'll get it more out this way. Bring it back. And if I want to slow it down so it comes lower, I just pull back on the joystick. It reduces the altitude, but still keeps on flying. So there we go. And it's coming at my head again. I can steer it all over the place. I can shoot it right at the camera on my Jeep. Whoa, watch out for the tree. There we go. This is a pretty cool piece of tech. It's supposed to fly for about 8 minutes on one battery charge, and you do get two batteries with it. So this is a sweet deal. If it was a little bit bigger, I could put a camera on it and get the point of view from the bird. So it's got the circle mode, which we tried. Let's just bring it back here again. And let's bring it down so it's closer to me. There we go. So I've got it flapping slower. This is so cool. And it's got a figure eight mode. Let's try the figure eight mode. I'll go at me. Figure eight. There we go. So let's go this way. Yes. And then let's... Hello, that's a circle. That's not a figure eight. Oh, there we go. There's the figure eight. Now it's going that way. There we go. There we go. All right, so now it keeps doing the figure 8. And as soon as you want to take it over, you just touch the... And I smashed it into my house. Here, let me just hit this to stop it. And there we go. So I was flying it. Can you see me down there? Let me start. Whoa! So I was flying in altitude mode. It does have a free mode on here. They also say if you move it, it should power itself up. There we go. So you would do that, and I didn't touch any buttons. It just does it itself. And if you turn it upside down, it stops. It's so easy to control this thing. There we go. Going over my head. There we go. Bring it around, and let's bring it down. Oh, there's a car coming, so I have to bring it lower. This is obviously something you would take to the park with your kids and just sit there flying it around. And the cool thing is the batteries take no time to charge up, so you could probably charge up one battery while you're flying and then have it ready to go by the time you're finished with 2 batteries. Bring this back over here. Let's see if I can land it in my hand. I'm gonna put my hand out here. Hang on, I gotta bring it back. This should be funny. Coming back, I wanna land it. So the way I'm gonna land it is I'm gonna turn it off now. I don't think the creators designed it that you would catch it like that, but I did. So I have to admit, this new version of the Go-Go Bird is way better than the previous versions. It actually works and does what it's supposed to do. And yeah, I tried all the features on it. Well, most of the features that were of importance that anybody would use. Super easy to use. I don't know the price of this, but the links will be below. Go check it out. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have questions on this baby, then post them below and I'll get back to you.